Kelsey?
Yeah, it's me. Hello?
Hello, Kelsey. Do you know who this is?
Morpheus?
Yes. I've been looking for you, Kelsey. I don't know if you're ready to see what I want to show you, but unfortunately, you and I have run out of time.
What do you want to show me?
It's inside that phone.
The banana phone? It's the Nokia 8110 4G, also known as the banana phone. Not only does this phone have an extremely cool sliding keypad cover, but you also don't need to do anything special to get it open. The rear case is held on with just a few clips. And here's something we haven't seen in a while, a user-replaceable battery. The Nokia 8110 4G has a tiny little 3.85 volt, 5.78 watt-hour battery that Nokia says will give you 25 days of standby time. Holy cow. There's a plastic mid-frame held in place by 6 T4 Torx screws, and once you remove those, the frame just snaps right out. On the underside of the mid-frame is the speaker, which, while glued in place, lifts right out with little effort. The motherboard is resting in place, connected by just a few cables, and the 2-megapixel camera easily pops right up and off the motherboard. Now, the motherboard can be lifted out, and on the board,